Yo, what up? This is Ross from Ross Exotics again. I'm doing another video about how to keep the vet up out your motherfucking pocket and how to cure kennel cough. How to cure kennel cough, you need these three things. You need honey, 100% honey. You need penicillin, you know what I'm saying? And you need a Bordetella. So what I do is, I give them a shot of penicillin in their ass. Read the instructions so you can know how much to give them. You know what I'm saying? Give them Bordetella in their nose. You give it to them through their nostrils. And then you give them 2 teaspoons of honey a day until they stop the coughing and all that other shit. You know what I'm saying? This keep the vet up out your pocket, because the vet go charge you $45, $50 just to walk in the office. Then they go charge you whatever else to, you know what I'm saying, to give you, prescribe you medicine and this and that. A lot of things you can use natural remedies to cure instead of, you know, paying them all this money, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, because when you buy dogs from different people, you know what I'm saying, the dog will be perfectly good at their house, but all of a sudden when it gets to your house, it'll be doing some whole other shit. You know what I'm saying? They be like, oh, it wasn't doing that at my house, but it's doing it at my house. You know what I'm saying? So this is a remedy how you can get rid of that kennel cough. And you need to keep your 5-in-1s and 9-in-1 shots too on deck at all times. You dig what I'm saying? So when you're getting dogs, you can give them their shots and, you know, and deworm them and make sure they deworm so that, you know what I mean, you know that everything is on the up and up. You know what I'm saying? When they come inside your kennel. It was just a little brief video. I ain't gonna hold you up too long, but shop with the name they trust, Ross Exotics. You know what I'm saying? And holler back at you in a minute.